In this video, I'll show you how you can find your Twitch stream key. So you need your stream key to go live on Twitch. So if you're looking to find out how you can get it, this is a video you need to watch. Let's get into this right away. Okay, so first of all, you want to go to Twitch, and then when you're on the website, click on your channel icon, top right corner, and then all you need to do is click on account settings right there. Now this will send you over to this page where you should be able to click on channel and videos, and you want to do that. Now once you do that, they will send you over this page where you can find primary stream key. So this right here is your stream key. So I'm not going to show mine because this is a unique stream key, but all you need to do is click on show right there and you can find it, or you can click on copy, and that's pretty much how you can find and use and copy your primary stream key on Twitch. So if this quick tutorial helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below if it works, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.